You hitting your mom. I mean, don't do this thing where we're shaking our head, we're trying to consider, because what I just read is you punch your mom in the mouth and it says that she was bleeding. As you know, I'm from the old school of parenting. That most definitely would not have been allowed. And all of this because you wanted her to drive you to the store and she said, no, walk.
Judge Boyd completely tears into this evil, smug man who punched his mom. This dude is so unbearably smug, he even smiles and laughs in the judge's face here. I mean, this dude really does not show a single ounce of remorse in this video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this case. Let's go ahead and dive in and watch Judge Boyd completely stun this clown.
And are you Mr. Ronnie Simmons? Yes. Mr. Simmons, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand what you're charged with is assault, family, second offense? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, sir.
Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that case? I'm sorry, did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. And Mr. Simmons, did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, sir.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation, no contact with Cheryl Simmons, no harmful or injurious contact with Ronald Simmons, and of course, there's an affirmative finding of family violence. I know that you all have put affirmative finding of family violence below the line, but if I deem that this is a family violence case, there will be an affirmative finding of family violence. Does everyone understand?
Yes.
All right, other than that, did everyone understand that I don't have to follow the recommendations from the state? Did you understand?
Yes.
All right, then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Okay.
State, any evidence?
State offers States Exhibit 1 and all attachments, Your Honor.
No objections, Judge.
Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, I review on States Exhibits 1 and attachments. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
All right, so first question I have, Ronald Simmons. Is Ronald Simmons married to your mom, and do they live together or no?
Father, actually, Judge. And I think your first one, yes.
So they live together. How old are you?
32.
You're 32 years old. And is this complaint in this case your biological mother?
Yes.
Why are you hitting your mom? I mean, don't do this thing where we're shaking our head, we're trying to consider, because what I just read is you punch your mom in the mouth. We only get one mother, and it says that she was bleeding. I mean, if you want a jury trial, well, I'm here. Anybody who wants a jury trial is more than welcome to have it. But it appears that you have some anger issues because this is a family violence second. This is not a first. How old is your mother?
46.
When's her birthday?
May 30.
You sound very unsure. All right. So why are you hitting on your mom? All right.
32 years old and still living with your mom. I mean, that's one thing, but hitting your own mom? That's just straight up insane. There should be a whole different set of laws for people like this who abuse their family and moms. Because I swear, that kind of behavior breaks the core of what trust and respect even mean. Like, what's the point of even going over to your mom if you're just gonna abuse her every time you see her? I mean, this dude seriously needs to grow up. And not only that, he just needs to face the music and stop running from what he did. Owning up is the only way forward. Anything less is just cowardice.
And at your age, even if you were younger, if your parent doesn't want to drive you somewhere, they don't have to. That's what via buses are for. That's what getting a job and getting your own car for. When this happened, were you living at that home?
No.
So you're coming over starting problem. In this previous assault family violence case, who was the complainant in that case? On March 25th, 2022, you were convicted of assault, bodily injury, family household, and cause number 669877. Who were you on probation for out of that cause number? What is their relationship? Can somebody look that up for me? Cause number 669877. It's a county court cause number, and see who the complainant was.
Cheryl
What are the
Simmons.
parents?
Cheryl Simmons.
Yes.
So, the same person. What is your issue with your mom? I don't understand people who hit their mothers and their parents. As you know, I'm from the old school of parenting. That most definitely would not have been allowed. And there are many things that I cannot say, but I don't know if, well, I do know. If I would have hit my mom, well, let's just say I would not be here as judge now. But people would probably be saying, oh, we remember Stephanie. She was such a nice little girl. So why are you hitting on your mom? And this is not the first time. There has to be a reason for it. Why do you think it's okay to hit your mother?
I mean, I could sit here and say I didn't, but I mean, I said no concept, so.
Well, no, I mean, you've done it before in the past. So I'm trying to figure out why you're hitting on your mom. Why do you think that's okay? Oh, you want a jury trial?
No,
Mhm.
just answering the question.
Well, we have two cases with you involving your mom. So you're saying on both occasions you never put your hands on her. And the fact that they're saying that she's bleeding from the lip, that's just, I don't know, something she did to herself? All right. And it says here you hit her with a closed fist, splitting her upper lip, causing it to bleed and swell.
This guy needs to be locked up for a very long time. Not only did he hit his mom, but it is also his second time doing it, and with a closed fist, nonetheless. Now, I'm not here to defend him or anything, because that's literally impossible, but if he had come in here genuinely remorseful, owned up to his actions, and